your bioinformatics lecture with the CAD, that is a computer aided drug designing and development, where subtopic is molecular docking. Is very important topic, molecular docking, part 1. So what is this molecular docking? So I have taken here the one experimental pictures or diagrams, that is experimental work, that is molecular docking, how a ligand can interact with the biological samples here. Okay, so now we move to the what is this molecular docking. So molecular docking is the method which analyze the conformation and orientation of molecules into the binding site of a micromolecular target. So what is this micromolecular target? That is the carbohydrates, lipid, protein, nucleic acids are example of micromolecular target. So molecular docking, the structural molecular biology and computer assisted drug design technique. That's what we are doing here, ligand protein docking. So ligand protein docking is to predict the predominant binding mode of a ligand with a protein of known three-dimensional structure, that is 3D structure of any biological sample. Now, so what we taken here, target plus ligand. Target, that is a biological sample of 3D, that's coming from the PDB, that is protein data bank. Ligand from PubChem, that is a drug, and how they interact or bind to each other. Now, so drug discovery take years to decade for discovering a new drug and very costly. To cut down the research timeline and the cost by reducing the wet lab experiment, we started to using dry lab experiment, that is computer modeling by using the bioinformatics software. It's a very important role of bioinformatics software in drug designing. Now, so here we look here the ligand database and target protein. Ligand, that is a compound or drug, and target protein, that is a 3D database or this three-dimensional structure of any particular or any biological sample of any, for example, any disease sample, any plant model or anything, whatever we're taking for our research work. So in both in docking process, in molecular docking, we find out the ligand docked into the protein active site. That means whatever the place it's docking, so what proteins are nearby, the residue interacting with the residue. Now, the pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamic optimization we observe. So what is this pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics? So pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics are field of study that focus on the interplay between medication and the body. Pharmacokinetics show how the human body interact with drug absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. That is the ADME. And the pharmacodynamics, the biological response to a drugs in a body. Applications of molecular docking in modern drug discovery. Molecular docking play an important role. Prediction of the binding properties of drug and nucleic acid. Medicinal chemists are conducting the computer simulation observation and mean discovery to predict whether a compound or drug will interact with protein and DNA. So like and subscribe my YouTube channels, and you can also comment in the comment box those topic you feel tough to understand, so we'll upload and update your skills. Thank you so much.